you do with it? Because
What?
when dumpling.
Where dumpling them there? Where they?
I mean that thing.
Where the expert? And me off?
Eat off him.
You eat it off?
Eat off him.
Pussy clot. Are you making a dumpling for? Jesus, guys. Rose. Boy, eat off your food. You make you come here. The boy eat off your food. Rose.
Dumpling again.
Rose, the boy eat off your food and make your food.
What dumpling again?
Did I hand you the food?
I ain't give me box.
Did I hand you the food?
Ain't give me box.
Sure, right. Me hand no food. Rose, give me box.
I ain't give me box.
Rose, give me box.
Yeah, but me ask you where dumpling now, one dumpling where you live in, where there. Same thing. Now you just pretend me.
So when I tell me eat off him.
So big, yo, you man wicked your foot, dog. You know, make sure she eat first, dog.
No, he take one feed.
What mean I care? How we are singing song? I want dumpling Missy Rose eat. Come here looking at mirror upon Rose, and I want dumpling Missy Rose eat. How much dumpling did in there? 6.
Man, wicked.
A 6 fried dumpling in there.
Yeah, too.
Yo, me say man lie your pussy clot. Yeah, you lie so dog. So what? If you go find the box, you can find the 6 dumpling them. Brother, and me buy them.
That is 6 dumpling.
Me buy them. So rascal. Yo, me say little man. Yo dog. We can't believe you lie so dog.
Yo, me can show you one dumpling like back out of 6 na. Out of
Brother. Yo, Chris, me up on the live, dog.
you want dumpling with the back out of 6.
So me not just ask you so we dumpling them. Yo, brother, me not just ask you so we dumpling them the dog. I just see you eat them off.
Okay, 6 dumpling now one.
How much dumpling in your box?
1.
How much dumpling did in your box? How much dumpling me going? How much fried dumpling me going?
Not 3.
6.
3.
How much fried dumpling me give expert?
Huh?
How much fried dumpling me give? How much fried dumpling in your box?
Me take out 2 and eat.
Me say, how much did in there?
Me not check it. Me not count it.
You just tell me say I'm 6. Hey, me say. Why? And see Mama Rosa eat one eye dumpling them there.
Ask me what dumpling you eat.
Rose shouldn't take your finger in your ass head. That you shouldn't do. Why Rose you don't you like you choke you look like you look dry you know. Rose. When me done me I go up and sit me. I'll buy some food. You still hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, when you done. What I say? I'm not for buy expert nothing. Talk truth. Talk truth. Talk truth. Hold on, the real dog just voice note me. People, hold on. Now go listen to the voice note. What the real dog saying. Hold on. Is it? Me. Talk real dog. Talk him. Talk him.
How can I buy he must slide off so?
You chat too much. You chat too much. You realize I'm not saying nothing? You talk too much.
Me attack if I 2 wheel big man. I 2 wheel one me chat about big man.
People me tell me say Rose you know want on Brazil. She don't like Brazil. So me go waste the money and buy Brazil. She don't like it. You can't be sending me Rose name. Nothing from a man dog. Nothing. How from this one? Nothing dog. Wicked bro God. So Rose, when you die home, who cook?
Depende on cook.
So-
Your father cook when you ready.
Most of the time I'm cook.
Hmm?
Most of the time I'm cook.
Most of the time you cook?
With me, daddy, and she. My father come and you know certain things and he can't you know he cook nothing daddy.
So big man, with the money we make Rose, we get to take your money.
Me beg him something now, dad. Me beg him something no time, me not take it. Me beg him something no time.
You beg him something no time. So Rose, I beg him beg her and just take it.
Take it. When me ask him, he say, he say, you send me picture with him, and me say, I $2,000 in your hand.
Alright, how much money you when you get? How much money you get again?
5,000. 5,000.
No?
And that's one people I say I can't go on.
No? I'm 5,000 million. 8,000.
8,000 you give me.
8,000 million. Oh.
Me give him 2 out there. I will give me 2 out there. Come back again and say. Alright, tell me much share with you. It's alright. Me give $200.
Me tell us a boy! Me tell us a... What the rat? What? Start over what your argument again, Rose. And people will listen. Oh, the boy.
Me give him $2,000 out of the money. Come back again and say. So me tell me much share with him again. Mr. Prime Minister get $200. Where you get $2,000? And come back again and say $1,000 out of the money. I say no, can me get free already. By the time I visit a 1 week, you be out of me and I say, me must share. You be out of me and take away money and put in a film packet. So me wait till next thing, me just take it back out of film packet and me tell him to look here. Where you going now, my son go take out my money from out there far. You know, so see the going on my son go take out it and me get paid $2,000. Mr. You take your money and buy phone card.
When buy phone card, when do calling girl them?
That you take your money go do. A white packet of misty with.
What is it? What that? What car? Somebody crash. Hold on. Someone can listen and talk to you people. Listen. Babe.
Baby.
Yo, now hang up like don't press nothing. Yeah. Don't press nothing on the phone. Yeah? Don't press nothing.
Yeah, something. Not something. Paper. No good.
Boy, let me roast this one as well.
I don't say she says she got.
One kind of come in, see there, look, read it.
No phone can come in, I people might chat you.
Paper, on no say. Oh, good. Yeah. Yeah. Me day night pressure. No good.
Boy, it was a situation of camera.
No man, you able to buy it?
But kuya. Where is it going on? Rose flippy camera to Ross. So you listen to Rose, you listen to the boy.
No, something like me see this is the right time.
I a little bit drink.
Which drinks Rose?
You drink a very drink.
So wait,
You finish?
you think you ginger beer then? I'm not curious now.
I actually I left about a little bit in there.
So Rose, what you want to eat?
Chicken and chips.
I no time for chicken and chips, you right time, alright. 10:31. That now ready by now.
I even before that.
Boy expert, like you have to go near me boxing rules done, you know. Can't believe dog, yeah, deal with Rose too bad dog. You know dog, yeah, deal with Rose too bad. Don't it?
Yes.
Mama?
Yes.
Boy
He
deal them.
treat me too bad.
But I next eat that too. Sorry for call it eat that. But my sister the man a treat her bad. What you fi do?
Them no money go buy food.
No be me come from people. No be, no free of them, no dear. People, I'm gonna make him get something to eat. Okay, I'm gonna buy something and come back. So, when I come back, I go up our life. Can you say you're hungry? Yeah? So, I'm gonna call World Dog and tell him, say, I'm gonna make sure you get something to eat and come back, then I go up our life. So, people, soon forward. Gene? Oh, no, you don't want to listen. I don't want nobody know my location. I don't buy Rose no bun, what kind of bun? Food, box food. Okay. That's good. Rose busy on KFC. On KFC, Rose?
Yeah.
On KFC?
Yeah.
People them send their money, you know, so you have to go tell them you want KFC.
Yes.
Expert.
Pepper.
Expert?
Eh?
Expert. Yeah, what you go get? No, you'll get 2 cream crackers and 1 bag juice.
That nine in my leg.
You feel better than black clock cream crackers and bag juice? Hmm? Boy?
That nine in my leg.
Feel better than cream crackers and bag juice? Clear too. Yo, Sissy, yo, me go buy. Me buy Rose KFC and forward. Me have to go in the live, dog. You see me? So when me forward back, me link you and me I go on live. You see? Because she said she hungry. So me have to go do you right here and forward back. Yes, right. So you can't talk about hungry belly. So me have to go any live and help people and just go make sure you get something to eat. Forward back. You see me? You see me? You see me? You see me?